Ever have that feeling that your workplace colleagues don't quite understand what you're trying to say? Ever spent hours trying to find exactly the right words in English to write an email that in your own language would just take minutes? And what was it they were laughing about at that last meeting? I'm Leo Salazar. I'm a corporate trainer and TEFL-certified English teacher. I've taught people of all ages, from high school students to business executives. I would like to offer you workplace English lessons. As a result of you taking workplace English lessons with me, you will improve your public speaking, your presentation skills, your management skills, and your general workplace English communication. I can help you, no matter what your current level of English is. I have over 35 years of international business experience with companies such as IKEA, Nike, and Starbucks. I've worked in the US, Europe, Africa, and Asia, and I'm a native speaker of English, born in the US, in California. As well as being TEFL certified, I have a Bachelor of Science degree and an MBA. Let's work together to help you excel at workplace English. Book a trial lesson with me, and let's have a conversation about what you want to achieve. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.